Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the top stories. Assembly passes appropriation bill. Parrikar alleges mega scam in removal process of River Princess. CM says schemes initiated by government are for the betterment of Aam Aadmi. Opposition says tender process of private hospital was compromised. Produces documents in house. CM assures to examine the matter. No confidence motion against Speaker defeated. Speaker advises Parrikar to allow other BJP MLAs to talk in the assembly. Keeps mum on pending disqualification petitions. Go on executing their plans to perfection in Santosh Trophy defense. Playing West Bengal in their home will not affect us, says Goa coach Marian Dias. And National Motocross champion Alan Sequeira pledges support for development of motorsports in Goa. Margao-based rider looks ahead to a busy season. And now the news in detail. Goa Assembly today cleared appropriation bill of 6,877 crores. Supplementary demands of 1,856 crores were also passed. Parrikar alleged a mega scam in River Princess removal process while speaking on the appropriation bill. Chief Minister said that government is working with their clear intentions of betterment of Goa. He said that schemes initiated by the government are meant for the benefit of common man.
ये budget present करता असताना Speaker sir, I had said that thrust has been given on agriculture sector. From 18 crores, the plan allocation has gone to 46 crores. आणि आम्ही मानतात की ॲग्रिकल्चराक जर सपोर्ट केलो ना जाल्यार सिच्युएशन विल नॉट इम्प्रूव आणि म्हणून सरकारान ॲग्रिकल्चराचेर चड थस दिल्या आणि ॲग्रिकल्चराक मनीस तेन्नाच वता जेन्ना ॲग्रिकल्चरांतल्यान ताका इन्कम मेळटा म्हणजे मार्जिनल फार्मर पंजाबाची सिच्युएशन अशें आसलें वन मार्जिनल फार्मर with a small farm is able to sustain his family. Only then he will go for, his son will go for agriculture. जोपर्यंत ही परिस्थिती येना तोपर्यंत younger generation will not get attracted towards agriculture. This is the reality. Second support required is for mechanization. And that is why in this budget also we gave lots of support for mechanization of all, like whether it is harvesters, whether it is tractors, whether it is compound walls, like that. We said that we will give subsidy for all such type of projects. Appropriation बिलाचेर उलयता आसतना लिडर ऑपोजिशनान काही पॉइंट्स रेज केल्या तो एक पॉइंट आसा रिवर प्रिन्सेसाच्या संबंधी unless we take proper consultations from the lawyers we will not take any decision because we know it may enter into litigation. But the effort of the government was to remove this as early as possible, and that is why government's effort is very sincere. We want this ship to go in the interest of the tourists, in the interest of the people of Kalangut constituency and in the interest of villagers there.
रिवर प्रिन्सेसचे गेले 2-4 दीस आमचे एक आमदार ताजी कंपनी एडवर्टायजी करीता त्यामुळे हांव मातसो म्हाका दिसलेलें कितें आहा तें कितें तरी खंयच्यान आंकडो हाडलो आसतलो पण हांवें मागीर मातशी स्टडी केली रिवर प्रिन्सेसाची कारण आमचो 17A क्वेश्चन 30 तारखेक दयानंद मांद्रेकारान घाल्लो ताजो अभ्यास केलो आनी देन आय टू माय शॉक आय रियलायज वॉट इज एडवर्टायजींग इज टोटली ट्रू. स्पीकर सर हाज्या पयलीं आमी फ्रॉडाचे अनेक हें पळयलां बट दीस इज एक्स्ट्रीम फ्रॉड. डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंटा सकयल जो कमिटीचो मेंबर आसा ही इज कोटींग तो ठरोवपाकूय आसा आनी तो हेवटेन आसा आनी तेवटेनूय आहा. 125 कोटीचे टेंडर ज्या कंपनीन टिटानोर काय कितें कंपनी म्हणटा कितें नांव त्या कंपनीचें टायटान कंपनी म्हणटा पळय तांच्यांनी फायनान्शियल बिडूच दिवन नासलो. इज चीफ मिनिस्टर अवेर ऑफ दीस म्हजे कडेन सगळे डॉक्युमेंट आहा बिकॉज दीस इज अ डायरेक्ट मॅन्युप्युलेशन. स्पीकर सर अशा पद्दतीचें मॅन्युप्युलेशन चलचें ना. You have to be transparency, but this is nothing but loot.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with Greta Menezes and video journalist Omkar Farari.
Opposition has alleged big fixing in bidding process of super speciality hospital at Bamboli. Goa government is building hospital on PPP with Elbit India company. Parrikar alleged that the Israeli company knew that they would win the tender much in advance, and so he alleged that bidding process was compromised. But Health Minister Rane refused to shelve the project.
My allegation is this matter has been fixed in advance. I have got
Speaker,
documentary.
Wait,
I have got, Speaker sir, documentary evidence to prove that this matter has been fixed in advance. The name which is appearing in the signature in that memorandum of understanding is what has been approved by the board of directors 1 month in advance. This is more than sufficient prima facie documentary evidence that a company knew that they are getting this with amount of share, everything exactly as it has appeared 1 month afterwards. I am giving this document, I am placing it on the table of the House. But I am making it very clear that this company had right in the beginning fixed up the matter. Matter kone fix up kela, only investigation will find out. But this has been fixed and therefore there are no bidders who have come forward. And I challenge on this, I am ready to give more documents on this.
आमचो गोयकार guinea pig जावपा येना. This hospital will be the only hospital in India which will have the non-invasive surgeries. For consultant and a IDFC which is promoted by government, then Chief Secretary said that I think this will be good for us, so we went by that particular thing. Nobody has a role to play in doing all the RFPs and other things, though we are there.
When government decided to appoint IDFC as the consultant, we believed, and even today we believe, that IDFC is considered one of the best consultants in the country today. Whatever documents, Honorable Leader of Opposition, you can place it before the House, we will inquire into it.
Speaker sir, to सांगता पळे, तो ताका काय म्हणजे कोणी हसतलो. No one opens a name which you have finalized 1 month in advance. How do you know the name of the hospital you are going to open it in?
If there is anything specific, we will examine it. But simply cancel a project or do something which is in the interest of the state of Goa, I categorically say no.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar with Aparna Gaudalkar and video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Speaker Pratap Singh Rane slammed Manohar Parrikar while replying to his no-confidence motion. Rane advised Parrikar to allow other BJP MLAs to talk in the assembly. He for the first time defended himself for adjourning assembly in 2008 when government faced crisis. But he kept mum on disqualification petitions pending with him. Motion was defeated 23-14.
मुख्य म्हणजे ते वाळपय प्लॅटफॉर्माचेरूय आशिल्ले आनी इलेक्शन तापलेले आनी आपल्या चिरंजीवाक मदत करपाक गेल्यार म्हजी काय म्हणणें नाशिल्लें इलेक्शनाचे वेळार आयज वचून असेंब्ली 2 दिसाचेर आसतना हे वाक्यप्रयोग म्हाका दिसता इंडिकेट्स दॅट यू हॅव अ मायंडसेट लिनिंग टुवर्ड्स द रुलींग पार्टी. परत एकदा जेन्ना तांकांच डावट आयलो की सरकार पडटा तेन्ना दिगंबर कामत उबो रावलो आनी स्पिकराक सांगलो की आपल्याक एडजर्नमेंट जाय की आपूण हांगा वता म्हणून. मालप्या एक्सिडेंट जाला थंय. समजा खरोच वचूंक जाय आसलें एक्सिडेंट जाला थंय हाऊस 2 वरां एडजर्न करून वचून येता आनी मागीर आमकां रिपोर्ट लागलो त्या प्रमाणे थंय वचूच ना.
या हिंदुस्थानातलो एक सभापती तुम्ही दाखयात अख्ख्या देशातलो सगळ्या राज्यांतलो जो सभापती पक्षाच्या मिटिंगेक वचना, जो सभापती पक्षाच्यो मिटिंग्स अटेंड करना, असो एक सभापती तुम्ही दाखयात. हांगा जर कन्सेन्सस घेयात रुलिंग पार्टीच्या आमदारां कडेन बहुतेक जाणांचें मत अशें आसतलें की बा प्रताप सिंग राणे विरोधी पक्षाक चड इम्पॉर्टन्स दिता म्हणून. की दुसरे खेपेक इन्सिडेंट जालो तेन्ना एक्सिडेंट जालो म्हणून हांव एडजर्न केलें आनी हांव एक्सिडेंटाच्या जाग्यार गेलो ना म्हणून.
केला असो तुय फरक पडना.
तो एक्सिडेंट इतलो भयानक आशिल्लो.
सरकारूच पडपाचें आशिल्लें ते एक्सिडेंटाचेरूच सरकार पडपाचें आशिल्लें.
स्पीकर सर हे हसतात.
I thank the opposition member, and especially the leader of the opposition, for having brought this no-confidence motion against me so that I can expose the bankruptcy of these people. I don't know from where he has found that word. I don't even know what that word was. What was it that you were saying? Hotan. I don't use that word. I don't use such words. It may be a concoction of some Hotan fellow. I always feel that the leader is one who is a good leader who allows others to speak. Here is a leader who doesn't allow anybody to speak except himself. You must have seen in the House. Please allow your members to speak. And don't sit every time. We know you are very clever. You are from IIT and everything. You see? Allow your members to speak.
The no confidence motion is defeated by 23 to 14.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar with Aparna Gaunarkar and video journalist Anil Sanadi.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.